here with the announcement of NATA 2021 examination results.
About admission counseling, we will also discuss NATA third attempt, and we are also going to talk about top 50 government and private architecture colleges in India with NIR. Education is providing the NATA admission counseling support, and we will be helping you to, based on your score, we will be helping you to get best NATA college. And so there is a form in the video description. You can always go there, you can check, and you can fill the form.
Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's leading design, architecture, fine arts, law and management entrance exam preparation ISO 9001:2015 certified institute. Download the Ignite India app to get free access to NATA study materials and to know all top-ranking architecture colleges admission. Download free PDF with all college ranking details from Ignite India app. Fill registration form for a free counseling session in the top-ranking architecture colleges admission. The link is kept in the video description. We are here with the announcement of NATA 2021 examination result. NATA 3 ND round exam details and admission counseling support. The Council of Architecture has been conducting the National Aptitude Test in Architecture NATA since the year 2006 for admission to first year of 5-year B.Arch degree course at architectural institutions throughout the country. For the year 2021, NATA was conducted as a computer-based test. The first test was conducted by the Council on 10 April 2021. The second test of NATA 2021 was successfully conducted by the Council on 11 July 2021 across 248 centers in India and 06 centers in international cities. Out of 25,860 candidates who applied for the second test, 21657 candidates appeared for the examination. The Council is pleased to release the result of the second test of NATA 2021 examination today, 22nd July 2021. The qualifying marks for NATA 2021 examination are 70 marks out of 200. Out of 21,657 candidates who appeared for the exam, 11583 candidates have qualified for the second test. In case a candidate has appeared for both tests, the result would be declared, taking into account the best marks obtained by the candidates in 2 attempts. The candidates may download their results from NATA 2021 website www.nata.in. Further, in view of the pandemic situation and containment zones in several parts of the country, it has been decided by the competent authority of the Council to conduct the third test of NATA 2021 on 3 September 2021. As per NATA 2021 brochure, the candidate who has appeared in either of the 2 NATA tests may register themselves for third NATA test. However, candidates who have appeared for both NATA tests shall not be eligible to appear in the same. The details of registration and other important dates for the third test along updated NATA 2021 brochure shall be available soon on the NATA website. As per the regulations of 2020, all candidates need to qualify for an aptitude test conducted by the Council, i.e. NATA, for admission to B.Arch course. Therefore, all candidates who have passed any other aptitude test in architecture conducted by other authorities shall also be required to qualify NATA in order to be eligible for admission to the B.Arch course. Therefore, candidates who are desirous to take admission into first year of 5-year Bachelors of Architecture degree course are advised to register themselves for third test of NATA 2021 as a last opportunity to appear for NATA. Follow these steps to check the NATA 2021 result. Visit the official website at nata.in. Click on the link to NATA login. The candidate's login portal will appear on the screen. Login using NATA 2021 application number and password. A tab will reflect NATA result. Click on it. NATA 2021 result shall appear on the screen. Download and take a printout for future reference. Download free PDF with all college ranking details from Ignite India app. Fill registration form for a free counseling session in the top ranking architecture colleges admission. The link is kept in the video description.
And you can contact us. We will also contact you after if you register for the counseling. Ignite team is going to connect you and we will be helping you. You can also call us on 9972046911. I did top 50 government and private architecture colleges in India with NIRF rank. Fill in the admission counseling support registration form in the video description and contact us on 9972046911. So here are the top 50 government and private architecture colleges in India with the NIRF rank. So first one is Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Kharagpur, BArch 5, and NIRF rank is 5. Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee, and this is 6. Indian Institute of Technology, Varanasi, and rank is 11th. And it's for BArch, Jamia Millia Islamia Aligarh. It's a 28, BArch, MArch, PhD in architecture. Birla Institute of Technology, Mesra, BArch, 38th rank. College of Engineering, Visakhapatnam, BArch, 69. Anna University, Chennai, BArch, MArch, M-Plan, 14th. Aligarh Muslim University, BArch, MArch, 39. BMS College of Architecture. So we don't have any update about the NIS rank, but you can always check. You can do your own research. Andhra University, Visakhapatnam. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, New Delhi, BArch 86. Jadavpur University, West Bengal, 17 rank NIS rank and BArch, MArch. Assam Science and Technology University. So we don't have any ranking about the college. But you can always check and do your own research. Hemachandracharya North Gujarat University, IK Gujaral Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar 104 is the rank. Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Shibpur, BArch Masters of Urban and Regional Planning 21, Biju Patnaik University of Technology, Bundelkhand University, Central Building Research Institute, Indira Gandhi Institute of Technology, Sharang, Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women 145, Deenbandhu Choturam University of Science and Technology, Sonipat, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, Jai Narayan Vasya University, Jawaharlal Nehru Architecture and Fine Arts University, Vadodara Institute of Engineering, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Moradabad, Acharya Institute of Technology, Bangalore, IEC University, Solan, Lovely Professional University, 87 rank, Rathingram Group of Institution, Coimbatore. So CT Group of Institution, Jalandhar, Access College of Kanpur, Bharat Institute of Higher Education Research, Chennai, Marwari University, Rajkot, Moradabad Institute of Technology, Moradabad, Vivekananda Global University, Jaipur, KIT University, Bhubaneswar, Hindustan Institute of Technology and Science, Chennai, SAGE University, Indore, Amity, AMIT University, Chhattisgarh. NATA 2021 expected cutoff for Karnataka based on the detailed analysis of the NATA 2020 cutoff and the various factors used to determine the NATA 2021 cutoff. We have prepared the NATA 2021 expected cutoff for Karnataka as given in the table below. Note that the following cutoff range is only for the reference of the candidate, and the final NATA 2020 cutoff of Karnataka may vary. So here are the detail. NATA 2021 expected cutoff for Karnataka. University Visvesvaraya College of Engineering 320 to 335, and the NATA 2021 expected cutoff in closing rank is 1165 to 1170. So these are the, you guys, you can download this PDF and detail. You can go through the and we are soon going to publish more video where we will be similar kind of the analysis we are going to publish about the Maharashtra, Gujarat and other states as well, so that will be very, very helpful for you guys to know the expected cutoff, and so that you can prepare, you can mentally prepare to joining the college, which kind of college you will get, where you will get, in which city you will get. So in Ignite team is dedicated and working closely. So these are the the PDF is available on the Ignite India app, so you can download. So now these are the difficulty level and other detail. So total question for plan elevation, total question or principles of design, total of numerical question, difficulty level. So these are the question and NATA phase 1 topic wise analysis. So this kind of the analysis also you can download, and the entire PDF is available free on Ignite India app. You can go there and download the PDF and let us know in the comment section how much you scored, how much marks you are going to score in the NATA second attempt, and how was the difficulty level, guys. And for the counseling support, as I told you, we have already posted the link. Okay, so NATA admission counseling, if you want to join top architecture college, so you can, description link is there. So when you will click on the video description, there is a form and you can fill the form, and this entire PDF, the answer key which we have released, that is available. You can download from the Ignite India app. Good luck everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon button to get all notifications whenever we will be uploading our new video. Download Ignite India app. Stay safe, stay positive, good luck. We'll see you in next video.